So Greenville got their Chevy SS sound from probably car sounds, because when I started up this Holden Commodore, well, it may sound familiar. Go buy the Chevy SS in Greenville right now and compare it to the sound. So basically what Greenville did is that they took this sound somewhere else, probably not in this car sounds game, but took it out of a YouTube video, probably. I don't know what YouTube video, but they took it out of somewhere and then put the sound in there, and then put the sound of the star up in here. I'm gonna play the parts that you do hear in the game. So that's how they got their sound.